Hi my friends, today I am Ali 19955 phone talking with you. So today I will unbox the new Nikon S2500 from Nikon. So we got this tapes from here and okay. So yes, from here we have a wide 4x zoom, Nikon, and 12 megapixels with 2.5 LCD with sense auto selector and vibration reduction. So we will have a quick unboxing. We have this Nikon S2500 user manual. Quick start with blah 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 blah, and we have the warranty shops. We have Nikon service warranty. It's not a check, it's the service warranty. Okay, here we have the software, and here the user manual. Let's see the accessories first. Here we have the recharge adapter. It works by the USB. So let's see here. We have a mini battery from Nikon. Okay, let's see what's this. It's a USB connector, and where it is a camera connector here, and the USB for recharge and for the laptop or computer. And here we have an out holder. Okay, another thing, it's a cable for the TV, a TV cable. And last thing, we have the camera. That's it. Wow, it's a very bright new camera, very nice design. Okay, Nikon S2500 on or off button. Here the zoom and capture, and here many other buttons. Okay, this was the unboxing of the Nikon S2500. Thank you for watching me, and I hope you will subscribe me. Thank you for